Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Binance to HTX account. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. So first we have to open HTX, and once we have done opening that, tap on assets on the bottom right corner. Now after that, we have to click on deposit. Now tap on search for tokens and search for the coin which you want to transfer from Binance. So in this case I have selected USDT. So I will tap on USDT and it will ask me to choose the deposit network. So make sure to choose the right network. There are many networks such as TRC20, ERC20 and BEP20 etc. But here I will choose BEP20. After choosing the address, we have to copy this address. After copying the address, now it's time to open up Binance. In Binance, we have to tap on wallets on the bottom right corner, then tap on withdraw and then tap on withdraw again. In the search bar, we have to search for USDT, but in the coin list I have USDT, so I will simply tap on that and then tap on the first option, and after that this interface will appear where we have to paste the address which we copied from HTX. After pasting the address, tap on the network and this drop down menu will appear. We have to choose the same network, so just select the first, which is BP20, as we selected over there. So if we selected TRC20 in HTX, we also have to select TRC20 over here in the Binance too. So if we don't do that, like if we don't match the network over there and over here, so our crypto will get lost. After that, write down the withdrawal amount which you want to send to HTX, then tap on withdraw and then you have to confirm your transaction, and that's how you can transfer money from Binance to HTX. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.